Hello, welcome back on the Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to insert the memory card in your Realme C31 version. So first of all, if you have some cover on it, you need to pick up and then go to the left side here of your phone, get the special key and stick it in the little hole here on the corner. Click on it and release your SIM card tray slot, which there is two places for the SIM card and one place for the memory card, and it's gonna be looks like this. There is the place for the SIM card, of course, and just insert it into your phone. And voila, you have placed your SD card. Here is tap to set up if you wish, and you can choose the option which you want to be comfort for you. You can set up later if you wish. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!